So now I will show how to remove the clearance of the third gear, third and fourth. Okay, it will remove two clearances. Yes, so what we need to do, we need the washer. It DIY washer I did it from this steel. Yes, gas, yeah. Or possible to order from AliExpress. Oh, I can send, no problem. Now I will use this one. I will show what need to do and how to remove the clearance. Need to little cut, it's a little bigger. So let's cut it. In any case, need to install the synchronizer. Not like this. Don't buy this. Buy like this. It's of the fourth gear. The yellow. It's much more better. So what I did, I put the washer inside, washer like this. I press this hub by the end, install the stopper, and then I'm knocking backside. That is this will go back to the stopper. And now this gear must move in free, and it has no clearance. Free and no clearance. Now it's perfect. That's all.